This big old camera don't fit up in the dash. There. We're on our way to Brian's house. He's gonna ride with him tomorrow. He said he just got back from the ER because he injured his hand, so he's not working tomorrow. But I'm pretty much done with the K-9 unit video, so I'm taking it over there right now to let him watch it. Alone, at home, injured. Xander's running the house. Oh, what happened here? Someone just like needs a jump. Are you kidding me? See jumper cables. Wonder who this is. Who's in number 2 right now? Oh, that's what's his name? When I was robbing the bank. What's up, man? Sam. Can I show it?
Can't throw right-handed. Ah! Oh, that didn't go anywhere. Come here. Give me that ball. Come here. Oh. Wow.
Stop.
Oh, what's left in this ball bag? What's left in the ball sack? You got a ball in the ball sack? Oh, yes, you do.
Okay, that's like a boy.
Can't fit 2 balls in your mouth, man.
Yo, get him! He's like, I want the snow.
Your butthole.
He just wants to eat it.
Ow, that hurts. Oh my gosh. What is it? Get it. Go. What is it? What is that? Other one. Here, I gotta get your other one on. No! Oh gosh. Hold on. There you go. How do you feel about your new shoes? You look pretty good.
She's like, oh my god.
Alright, Stephanie bought Daisy some, what are they called? Booties? Dog boots for like, I don't know, whatever. You can walk on glass and hot things, snow and ice.
She's like, what? They protect my feet. Oh, one fell off.
Oh, did it fall off?
Yeah. Oh. Oh, wait.
Do they have extra smalls?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, Daisy. Stephanie's driving. We're in the middle of that big snowstorm. We were gonna go sledding, but it's just like the roads are too messed up and it's just, so we're gonna go sledding tomorrow, but we're just driving around Flat Rock right now. Maybe check out Hurock. Got a lot of snow though. On the table outside my house, there's like a foot of snow. It's a lot of drift. It's supposed to get really windy, then really cold. It was gonna be. Did you, wait. Almost got smoked.
Wait, what? I went through a green light.
Yeah, you had a green light. He was just like, couldn't stop and then like seen us go by. So he just was like, I'm just gonna go.
Wait, like what?
I don't think they're plowing here yet. Is Flat Rock under like an emergency thing? Or are they gonna like plow all this?
That one guy's parking.
Probably
They're
later.
coming up there, park.
Well, we can stop here for a minute. Front row parking. I'm not bringing this camera out here, so I'm gonna switch to the GoPro. So the sound is gonna be probably really bad. Sorry. All right, here we go. Come on, Daisy, let's go. Deep snow. It's deep everywhere. Daisy, you okay?